Hello! Welcome once again to Papa's Fusion Pinoy Cooking.
Our menu for today is beef nilaga or nilagang baka.
If you are new to this channel and you have passion for cooking, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will give you the best Filipino and fusion recipes that you can easily cook at home and serve to your family and friends.
Here are our ingredients.
Okay, let's start cooking! This is a very easy recipe. You just have to boil all the ingredients. First, boil the beef until meat is fork tender. Add some salt and some black peppercorn. When the beef is tender, add the spring onion followed by the sweet potatoes and all other ingredients except cabbage and baby bok choy. Nilaga means boil. This is a type of Filipino meat and vegetable soup where chunks of beef are cooked in broth until tender. This recipe is adapted from the Spanish Cocido. Beef nilaga is one of the Filipino comfort food, especially during rainy days. Beef nilaga is also symbol of family love as it is always served whenever the whole family gathers during Sundays in their ancestral home. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce to taste. When the sweet potatoes are already soft, add the cabbage and baby bok choy. Cover the cooking pot until the vegetables are already cooked. Presenting Papa's Fusion's Beef Nilaga. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we have new videos. See you again on our next video. Bon appetit!